Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And 20 years ago, something interesting appeared that I actually used and had a lot of fun using. And I know that this was one of the things that a lot of PC users actually really liked. And it was the famous Windows Media Center. It was introduced with Windows XP back in 2002 as a Windows Media Center edition of Windows XP. And it had tons of features. It was there to manage your videos, your pictures, all sorts of media, music, and so on your PC. But it was more than that. It actually was able to connect, and some of you might have had that in the past. I remember having a Hauppauge TV card on my desktop PC, and it could actually interface with it, show me, and I could view TV. I could record shows like if I was on a cable box. It was truly an amazing device when you had the media center on it. So 20 years ago, and there was one controversy over time when Windows 7 had also the media center, but then it faded away because they decided that, we're not going to continue media center, and there were tons of things that you could do to try to make it work on a system that technically did not accept it, but eventually you had to really abandon. It is sad because this was truly a nice and advanced feature that was available on PCs at the time. And I mean, it was way ahead of its time. No other PC, not even Apple had anything close to this. And all of that on your computer, which was really, really nice. So all I want to say is I do miss the Windows Media Center. I think today would still be something nice, especially with integrated, internet stuff. That would have been an amazing thing that Microsoft could have continued over new Windows versions, including Windows 10 and Windows 11. So, 20 years ago, Windows Media Center. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.